Hello and welcome to the Hipster's Guide of configuring ArchLinux. I wrote a blog post recently and I noticed that what I did to my Raspberry Pi with ArchLinux on it was completely hipster because it just aimed to display some SE art. So let's connect to the Raspberry Pi. And we're typing in the IP address. Authenticate ourselves, and then we see we're called Alarm Pi, which I believe stands for ArchLinux ARM Pi. So we're gonna go ahead and change that because we can't have a default hostname. That is like a really terrible sin in the eyes of hipsters. And I'm going to give it my favorite name. It's like a sweet version of the Raspberry in German. Okay, so now we want to get the SE art, and for that we have to install the user package manager. The package manager for user-generated packages, and that we do through pacman. And of course we want to proceed, and then we're going to install Archie. I hope I'm pronouncing this right, but we'll see. And I have installed the dependencies for this earlier, and we don't want to edit the build. This is potentially dangerous, but we don't care. We're hipster, and we want to continue building. Oh, great. So from last time when I installed it, yeah, I was lazy. I didn't format the whole thing. It's actually getting stuff from Git servers, which I think is amazing. I just started using Arch on my Raspberry Pi, so that's great. And another thing that I noticed is in a lot of dialogues, you actually when you press a key, it immediately jumps forward without you having to press enter, like you often have to do with apt on Debian or Ubuntu. Okay, so now we should have the package installed. And bam, there's our SE art. So yeah, that was probably the most hipster, useless introduction ever. I just needed this screen to put it in a blog post as the featured image. The hostname is still wrong because that will work after the reboot. And well, thank you for watching.